What we have at the Stormwater Park and Learning Center is a stormwater treatment train made up of several different stormwater practices that work together to filter and clean water. Starting in our front yard, we have a 4,000-gallon cistern. When it rains, the cistern fills up with water, which we can then use as needed to maintain our landscape plantings. Basically no different from a rain barrel you would use at home, just larger. During dry periods, we can also release the water from the cistern into this tree trench system. The water that flows through these channels is used by the trees, filtered by the soils, or absorbed into the ground. Trees can be an important tool for protecting water resources. In addition to soaking up water, they can help stabilize soil and reduce erosion. That's why in our front yard we've built a gravel bed tree nursery. Gravel bed nurseries are an inexpensive way of growing a number of trees in a small space. The tree nursery uses stormwater runoff from a portion of our parking lot and the roof of our garage to grow trees that will ultimately be planted throughout the watershed. The next step in our treatment train is a series of rain gardens. Rain gardens may be used to collect water that runs off of hard surfaces like sidewalks and parking lots. They capture it, filter out the pollution, and often allow the water to infiltrate into the ground. Our rain gardens are planted with native prairie vegetation. These plants have deep roots and can absorb more water than many other types of plants. One innovative feature that we've built into our landscape is an experiment station. We're testing 3 different types of engineered soils to see how well they clean pollution out of the stormwater. This area captures all of the stormwater that drains off the remainder of our parking lot. We're able to test the water as it leaves each one of the containers. Another stormwater treatment that we are experimenting with is our green roof. A green roof is basically a rooftop that has been covered with engineered soils and planted with vegetation. In our case, we've built a green roof with a regular membrane roof side by side so that visitors may observe and we can measure differences in the water that runs off of each one. Green roofs slow down and absorb some of the rainwater runoff. They can also provide extra insulation for the building, reducing the amount of energy needed to heat and cool the facility. Virtually everything we do has an impact on water quality. With our Stormwater Park and Learning Center, we wanted to create a place where people could come and see for themselves how stormwater can be used as a resource, rather than a waste product that simply runs through our storm drains and pipes, carrying pollutants to our rivers, streams, and lakes.